Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to use voice changer effect on Instagram. So if you want to put it on the story, okay, so what you have to do is you need to create a story, and I'm just going to story, and here you can see all the effects. So you need to slide left side, and you need to find that search for more effects. Now here you can see I'm just clicking on that, which is effect gallery, and you need to search for voice effects. And if you search for voice effects, there will be lots of voice effects will be you can see available. So you can just pick any kind of effect. So I'm just going to pick the first one, which is voice effects. You can see now, you can see try it. So tap on that and you will be able to select the voice effect. Like here you can see helium, giant, vocalist, announcer, robot. So there are lots of options, so you need to select or pick which you want to and now if you click on that, tap on that, you can record the voice, and it will be change. The voice will be changed according as you have set the voice effects. Like if you set the voice effects to giant, it will be sounds like giant. So in this way you can use voice effects on Instagram. Now you can simply share it, okay, or do whatever you want with it.